In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Cloudflare. Keeping your account secure starts with a strong, up-to-date password, and I'll walk you through the process step by step so nothing is confusing. First, open your Cloudflare account in a web browser and sign in. Once you're on the Cloudflare dashboard, look to the top right corner for your account avatar or name. Click that to open the account menu, then select Profile. If you see multiple sections within your profile, choose the main profile option so you're viewing your account settings rather than any site-specific pages. Next, head to the security area. Find and click Access and Management. Inside that section, look for Authentication. This is where Cloudflare keeps the settings related to logging in and securing your account. Within Authentication, locate the Password section. Click Password and then click Change Password to open the form. You'll now be asked to enter your current password, followed by your new password, and then confirm the new password by typing it a second time. Take a moment to choose a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. A good approach is a long passphrase made of several unrelated words plus numbers or symbols. If you use a password manager, let it generate and store a random complex password for you. Make sure the new and confirm fields match exactly. If they don't, the system will let you know to retype them. After you've entered your current password, your new password, and the confirmation, click Save. Cloudflare may briefly process the change. In some cases, you might be asked to confirm the update via a code, email, or your two-factor authentication method if you have it turned on. That's normal and helps protect your account. Once saved, your password is updated. Be aware that changing your password can sign you out of other active sessions, which is a helpful security measure. If that happens, simply sign back in with your new password.